You are going to have a blast with us this summer creating your own celebrity portrait. It's fun, it's colorful, you gotta try it. I know you can, it's for any artist level. Say paint down below to get your free mediums guide to get you started, and follow along for more tips and hacks just like this. And if you have a question, pop it down below. We're happy to chat anytime, and you can get everything you need to know, our classes, our what do you call it? So close. Our like our supplies, our Amazon shop, that's in the bio too, where you can check out everything you need for this project. Yeah, thanks for being here. I can't wait to see what you create. Teddy was out here, but he left. I decided to do, I had a bunch of these print-offs from Art Academy. So I decided to use one and do another little quick Taylor Swift study on the step this morning. We're still working on our sketchbooks every day, so you can hit the link below and join us this summer in our summer sketchbook project. It's super fun. A lot of these supplies are just from the Dollarama, and you don't need professional artist stuff, but if you have it, great. Yeah, like Teddy's is creative for sure, but the point is to like spend time together, right? So they literally can do anything. Here they have like some Polaroid print offs and little, you know, whatever they want to do. It's so good. And then I actually make more time to create myself, which is good. Taking some time to just play around with watercolors and sketch with Teddy.